Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jasmine Katrina, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial for any newbie to makeup. So if you like this look, make sure you stay tuned to see how it all came together. Alright y'all, so let's get started. So I went ahead and moisturized my face. Today's primer is going to be the NYX Bear With Me. This is a jelly primer. So as you can kind of see, just scoop a little bit out. All right, primer is on. So let's go ahead and start with my brows, and then we'll get into today's look. All right, so we're gonna use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to clean up the brows. Okay, brows are done. So we're going to go in today with my Sephora Sephora foundation. I think this is matte. And I'm in the shade dark chocolate. Of course I am. So let me go ahead and apply. So I'm trying a new application method where I'm like patting it in instead of like swirling in with the other brush. And I don't know if it helps with less if I'm using less of the foundation, but it is a nice little. Okay, that looks great. Awesome. So for concealer, we're going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics for the under eye. And I'm also going to use a little bit of it for my lid. Okay, I'm going to go. And then once you do your top line concealer, you want to go back in with your foundation brush and just make sure you blend that out, that line out. And you don't have to add any new product, just take whatever's left on the brush. Blend it all in. Cool. Then you're gonna take your concealer brush and that's what you're gonna use to pack in the lid. Okay, so if you are a newer person to makeup and you don't have all the products that I have, then what you want to do is use your concealer to prime your lids, and then you can go ahead and use any type of easy shadow palette. So for the sake of today, I'm going to use my 40 by 40 palette just because it has a lot of neutral colors, and I think that if you're starting out, you don't really want to give an opportunity to start with the easy base and then build your way up to more colors. So we're gonna start here, and if you want to see, this is all the palette shades. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. So lids are set. Now I'm gonna go in with my all over brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my all over shader brush, and we're gonna start with a deep brown. What do I want burgundy? Let's do, it's more like a maroon color, right? Then you're gonna take a smaller, more fluffy brush, something that looks a little bit like this. And then that's what you're gonna use to go right under that with a different shade. So I'm gonna use a more of a tan. And then lastly, on the actual eyelid, I'm gonna go in with a flatter brush, something like this. And then I'm gonna use a brown to pack it right in. And I'm just gonna pack it, pat, pat, pat. Okay, so that is it. Now, if you are new and you're not really into like the shimmers and the like glittery ones, you can leave it right here. If you want a little something in the inner corner of your eye, you can always add that in. I think today I'm gonna keep it matte, so I'm not gonna add any shimmer. But I am gonna get my eyeliner because we are using mascara only today. We're not gonna do lashes because if you're new to makeup, you probably wouldn't use lashes, but you probably would want to use mascara. So let me go grab my liner. Okay. So, Okay, and so for mascara, we're going to go in with two. This is actually from the beauty supply store. This is the Triple Play Lash Perfecting Mascara from New York, Nick K, New York. And then this is my LANCOME Monsieur Big. So we are going to go ahead and start with this one. All right, now let's say you want something true. We're gonna go back with the Mented Cosmetics for their blush highlighter. I think most beginners would like something like this to start off with. So I'm just gonna take a highlighter brush and just gonna grab it. And we're gonna apply. And there you have it. So this is pretty much a good, cute, everyday makeup wear routine. If you still are doing makeup like for work, or you're just wanting to throw something on, like this is normally what I would put on. I probably add blush, but for the sake of beginners, this is something that you could wear. So easy, I love it. I think it's super cute and neutral enough where you can kind of wear anything with it, but also a little bit of a kick, that way you feel like you have something on your face and you look decent. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the look. If you are new to makeup, if you really don't wear a lot of makeup, if you haven't worn makeup in a while since the panorama, let me know in the comments, would you like this look? Would you do something like this? Is this like kind of similar to what you normally do? Let me know. Let's chat below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you always know when videos go up, and hit the bell notification so you know as soon as they come out. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be well, do well, and be safe.